Hey YouTube, it's your girl Keisha Bell, and I'm back with another video, you guys. Today I am eating boiled shrimps, broiled crawfish, potatoes, sausage, corn, and eggs with the mayonnaise-based seafood dip. I have a glass of water here and my daiquiri, you guys. So let's get it in. I got a pound of shrimp and 2 pounds of crawfish, y'all. Ooh, they spicy too, y'all. Oh my god. These are my shrimps. These the Louisiana ball shrimps, y'all. This ain't no prawns. These here was $9.99 a pound. That's so good too. They're real good. I got these from my favorite seafood place, Bayou Express. If y'all ever in the Homer area, y'all check them out. Homer, Louisiana, that is. These are so good. I did a good job on these. Y'all, like, these are really bomb. So did y'all watch Star last night? Girl, they was doing the most on Star last night, huh? I think Star was wrong for taking Noah to court, because he really is trying. You know, she shouldn't have did that. Took his rights away from his baby. She got her own demons that she got in her skeleton in her closet. You know, if she don't want the baby, she should have gave it to Noah. Like Simone could have took the baby. Shit. I mean, shoot. Well, these are good. I didn't like that. That boy really want his baby. They got men out here who don't want their kids and wouldn't give a, you know what, if you gave them up. But he actually cares and he wants to be there. She shouldn't have did that. But I think in the next season, she ain't gonna give him up. That was his first storyline, I bet. Oh, potatoes. My egg. It's so good. Yeah, some people suck the head on their shrimps. I don't suck the head on my shrimp. I don't like the way that tastes. I do it on the crawfish sometimes. Mm-hmm. These are so good, y'all. They rolling today. Theirs is always good, though. I must say that. And they are nice size today. Last time I was fussing because they was small. But these are nice little size. They got some small ones in here, but most, like this one, but most of them is big. A nice size, you know. Yeah, it's spicy though. Corn. I love corn, yeah, but I just don't, corn on the cob, I hate how it gets stuck in your teeth. Ooh, Lord, these are real spicy. Shoot, they spicy today. Ooh, excuse me. For the crawfish and shrimp, it came up to like $16, which isn't bad. That's so good. Y'all watched Empire? Yeah, I stopped watching Empire because they be doing way too much on Empire. Oh my God. Everything on Empire is like so dramatic. I stopped watching Empire like 2 seasons ago. So if y'all watch Empire, y'all let me know down in the comments below what's going on there. I ain't been watching it. I ain't watch it last season. Oh, I didn't watch the season before last neither. The last season I watched was when Boo Boo Kitty got killed. I don't know what season that was, but that's the last one I watched. She had the baby for Hakeem. That's the last season I seen. So y'all let me know what's going on there. I had a baby. Y'all know what I do. That means I'm getting full. Shoot. I missed Black Ink last night. I don't even know if it's still on or if the season finale was last week or something. I don't know. I be trying to keep up with the TV shows. I just work so much, y'all. Because I work 2 jobs, so I catch up when I can. You know. So the last episode I seen of Black Ink was when Puma and Sky Twerk fashion show. That was the last one I seen. Yeah, these shrimps are so good. These are head on. Ow. Poke myself. Some people be freaked out by the head on shrimps. I mean, I don't think people down south is like that. Cause that's what we used to. We used to these like with the head on. It's so good. Y'all, when you get your crawfish, it's so good with crawfish. Go good with alcohol, y'all. Like a beer, a daiquiri or something, a mixed drink. It's real good with alcohol. Oh, I got my daiquiri. Ooh, that was strong too. And for those of y'all who don't know what a daiquiri is, it's like a snow cone or a snowball with alcohol in it. It's frozen, like a slushie. Let me see if I can show y'all without wasting it. See, it's like a slushie. It's like a slushie with alcohol in it. But it's a little bit more thick in consistency than a slushie. That's why I say it's snowball. It's kind of thick like that. But they be good, y'all. They be good. And today at our daiquiri shop here, we have like specials throughout the week. Every week at some daiquiri shops. The one that I go to on Thursdays and Tuesdays, they have 2 for 1. So you buy one and you get the second one free. So, yep. See this? Y'all know the beat up crawfish I do not eat. They done been through enough. They don't need me eating them. Got my hair in a little puff today. I guess I'm going on my cruise next month, y'all. Oh, I can't wait. We leave Father's Day. We're going to Jamaica, Grand Cayman, and Mexico. So I'm really excited about that. I cannot wait. So I won't be getting my hair done until next month. And I don't know if I want to get braids put back in, or if I want to get a sew-in. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you ever been on a cruise, and if so, ladies, how did y'all have y'all hair? Cause you know when you on the cruise, you do like excursions and stuff. You be in the water, and I need something that's gonna cooperate after I get out the water. That ain't gonna be all messed up, cause I'm going to 3 different islands, so I need my hair to last. So yeah, y'all let me know how y'all did y'all hair. This is my second time going on the cruise, so I know what to expect, you know. It's my second time and my boyfriend's first time. So he a cruise version. I'm so excited. Can't wait for that. We're gonna be turning up, baby. That's for sure. I wanna relax a little, turn up a little. Ooh, yachty. I'm going for they're so good. Look, I didn't even eat the sides today because I'm getting full on just crawfish and shrimp. They're so good. I love them. I love these because they're not overboiled. Like when you overboil shrimp, the peeling sticks to them, and they be hard to peel. But these are good. Just took these out. See, shrimp. A lot of reason why a lot of people mess up shrimps is because they don't take long to boil at all. You dip them in that water and you take them out. Leave them in there for about 2 minutes. They're like this size. Leave them in there for about 2 minutes, and you take them out. Or you can even turn the water off if you want them to soak up the juice or whatever. You turn the water off and put the shrimp in there and soak in there. Now when you do it like that, you let it sit in there for about 3 to 4 minutes. These are good though. These are bomb. Juice just is squirting on me. Whew, I'm getting so full, y'all. I got a few crawfish left and a few shrimp left. Y'all, my boyfriend hate when I do that. When I pop like that after I drink something, he hates that. I be telling him I don't do it on purpose. I don't, y'all. It's so good. What y'all week been like? Y'all been busy working? Yeah, I be trying to get my videos out every week, once a week. But like I said earlier, I worked. Ooh, this is a nice one. I worked 2 jobs, y'all. So I try to get them in when I can. I work 2 jobs. And I dead ass work 7 days a week. Some days I work both of them in the same day. So I be trying to get them in at least once a week for y'all. That's another big one. Oh yeah, I'm good for. I'm about to it's my last one, y'all. So before y'all leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Go ahead on and leave your girl some comments. Subscribe to my channel, y'all. Go ahead on and subscribe. Y'all won't be disappointed. if this, like, if y'all watch my videos when I upload them, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all next week with another video, y'all. Bye.